Dog owners around the world share one universal experience: living with furry stalkers. Those attentive canine eyes follow their humans everywhere, bathroom visits included. According to research published in the journal Animal Cognition, dogs are remarkably attentive to human behavior and consistently monitor their owners' actions throughout the day, making them nature's most devoted and adorable surveillance experts. This isn't random behavior. These watchful companions are engaging in something scientists call referential checking, a profound form of communication that reveals the 15,000-year evolutionary masterpiece that is the human-dog relationship. Today, we take a look at the 5 reasons why dogs constantly check on their owners and what this behavior actually means. Before we do, though, don't forget to click to subscribe and turn on that notification bell for new uploads. Number 1. The evolutionary bond. To understand why dogs constantly check on their owners, viewers must travel back thousands of years. Dogs evolved from wolves, and in wolf packs, visual communication and constant awareness of pack members' locations are crucial for survival. When dogs were domesticated, estimated to be between 15,000 to 30,000 years ago, humans essentially became their new pack. Dogs don't see humans as just food providers. In their canine minds, humans are family, and family members keep track of each other. It's like having a furry relative who thinks everyone needs constant supervision. Dr. Alexandra Horowitz, head of Barnard College's Dog Cognition Lab and best-selling author of Inside of a Dog, explains that this vigilant behavior isn't just leftover wolf instinct. It's been specifically enhanced through the domestication process. Research published in Current Biology has demonstrated dogs are significantly more likely to make eye contact with humans than wolves. They've essentially co-evolved, Dr. Horowitz notes in her work. Dogs were selectively bred over thousands of generations specifically to read human faces, interpret our body language, form attachments to us that differ from any other interspecies relationship on Earth. When a dog tracks their owner with those soulful eyes, they're engaging in behavior that's been hardwired into their DNA for over 30,000 documented generations. Perspective, that's longer than humans have had agriculture or written language. In the complex neural network of a dog's brain, their humans literally occupy the center of their universe. Number 2. Security check. Have viewers noticed how dogs will glance back at their owners while playing at the dog park? Or how they'll periodically check in while exploring on a hike? These security checks serve multiple purposes. First, dogs are making sure their humans are still there. Owners are their safety net in an unpredictable world. Second, they're looking for guidance. Human facial expressions and body language tell dogs whether a situation is safe or concerning. When humans show signs of being startled or afraid, dogs respond immediately. Dogs are constantly reading their owners' emotional states to inform their own. This is called social referencing, and it's a sophisticated form of communication. In fact, research has shown that dogs are one of the only non-human animals that look to humans for information about how to react to new or uncertain situations. This level of attunement to human emotions is truly remarkable. Number 3. Love, attachment, and dependency. Here's where the science becomes truly astonishing. According to groundbreaking research published in Science by Nagasawa and colleagues from Azabu University in Japan, the attachment dogs feel toward their owners creates a physiological reaction during visual contact. Their study documented that when dogs and their owners gaze at each other, both experience an increase in oxytocin levels, the same love hormone responsible for mother-infant bonding in humans. This biochemical reaction creates powerful feelings of trust, attachment, and security. When dogs check on their humans, they're participating in a mutual feedback loop that strengthens the bond between them through this hormonal response. The researchers found that this same oxytocin response does not occur when dogs interact with unfamiliar humans. For approximately 14 to 17% of dogs, according to research published in the Journal of the American Veterinary Medical Association, this attachment mechanism becomes so intense that separation triggers genuine distress. Studies have shown that dogs with separation anxiety exhibit physiological stress responses, including elevated cortisol levels, a stress hormone, and increased heart rates when separated from their owners. Even for dogs without clinical anxiety, maintaining visual contact with their owners serves as external emotional regulation, explains Dr. Karen Overall, veterinary behaviorist from the University of Pennsylvania School of Veterinary Medicine. The owner's presence quite literally helps stabilize the dog's stress response system. Number 4. Reading your routine. Dogs are creatures of habit, and they become intimately familiar with their owner's routines. They check on humans because they're trying to predict what happens next. Does a dog mysteriously appear whenever someone approaches the refrigerator? Or do they start getting excited before their owner even reaches for the leash? This isn't coincidence, it's pattern recognition. Dogs watch humans to learn behavioral patterns. They notice that putting on certain shoes means a walk is coming, or that picking up car keys means their human might be leaving. This vigilance helps them predict their own future. Will they be fed soon? Is playtime approaching? Is it time for a nap? By keeping tabs on their owners, they're gathering important information about what their day will look like. And for many dogs, this predictability is comforting. Knowing what to expect helps them feel secure in their environment. Number 5. The science of connection. Recent studies using MRI scans on dogs have revealed something truly remarkable. When dogs see their owners, specific regions in their brains associated with positive emotions light up in ways different from when they see strangers. This deep connection is also why dogs seem to read human emotions so well. Research shows dogs can distinguish between happy and angry human faces, and they respond differently to different emotional states. They're not just checking on their human's location, they're checking on their emotional state too. If someone is sad, dogs may offer comfort. If someone is excited, they may get playful. This emotional attunement has evolved over thousands of years of coexistence. In fact, this constant checking behavior is something domestic dogs do far more than wolves, even wolves raised by humans. It's a specifically evolved trait that helps strengthen the human-dog bond. The mind-blowing truth: dogs are rewiring our brains. When owners notice those watchful eyes following them around the house, they're witnessing something truly extraordinary. According to research published in the Journal of Comparative Psychology, this behavior represents one of the most sophisticated interspecies communication systems ever documented, a 15,000-year evolutionary conversation that continues with every shared glance. Dr. Brian Hare, professor of evolutionary anthropology at Duke University and founder of the Duke Canine Cognition Center, describes this vigilant behavior as a window into the dog-human relationship. His research reveals how utterly central humans are to a dog's entire experience of reality. In the canine mind, owners aren't just caretakers, they're the emotional focal point around which their entire world orbits. But here's the fascinating twist that's changing how scientists view the human-dog relationship. What if these check-ins aren't just about what dogs need from humans? A study published in Frontiers in Psychology found something remarkable. During positive interactions with dogs, humans experience increased oxytocin levels and decreased cortisol levels, the stress hormone. In other words, science has confirmed what many have suspected. Dogs aren't just watching us, they're actually improving our physiological well-being through these interactions. In next week's Can't Miss episode, viewers will discover the expanding body of research showing how interactions with dogs influence human brain function, and why some researchers believe our canine companions might contribute to improved emotional well-being and psychological health in humans. If this video blew viewers' minds about their canine companions, they need to smash that like button right now. Research shows that over 80% of dog owners report their pets watching them while they use electronic devices. Share that magical moment in the comments below. Hit subscribe and that notification bell right away to make sure you don't miss our next video.